For the repair of the Hatteland ECDIS monitor unit, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of its electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 220-volt AC power supply and we connect the monitor to a computer. By turning the monitor on, we can see on the screen that the video plays successfully. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the monitor is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.